Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Blazer RS all-wheel drive. This specific one stickers for $48,565 and is fitted with the 3.6 liter V6 mated to a 9-speed automatic. This specific one gets 18 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway and is painted in Cajun red tint coat with jet black leather interior. This is growing to be my favorite Chevrolet on sale today in the SUV department. It drives really well, and I have no complaints whatsoever with it. So this one is fitted with the virtual rear view mirror, which you'll see in the drive is actually really cool. If you have a big item in the back of the car and can't see out the rear of the vehicle, you just turn on the virtual rear view mirror and it's mated to a camera mounted at the back of the vehicle so you can see what's behind you no matter what is in the car. That's a really smart idea, and a lot of Chevrolet and GM vehicles are fitted with that now. This one has the Enhanced Convenience and Driver Confidence 2 package, so that gives it adaptive cruise control, an 8-speaker Bose audio system, the 8-inch touchscreen, wireless charging, rear heated seats, front heated and ventilated seats, a power tilt and telescoping steering column, advanced automatic braking, front pedestrian braking, lane keep assist, lane departure warning, forward collision alert, and rear parking assist. So a ton of features are in this one. As you can see in the video here, you have red contrast stitching in the leather itself, and all the little perforations in the leather are lined with red. It's not really coming across on camera the way I wanted it to, but it looks killer in person. With the RS trim level, you get a lot of red accents all throughout the interior, around all the climate control gauges. You can see on the door panel the red contrast stitching, the piano black accents with all the seat memory. It's a really pretty SUV. Here you can see the control for the rear tailgate height, and there is the Bose speaker in the door. You have Chevrolet written on the kick plate, which is finished in a nice chrome material. Here you can see some of the red accents on the climate control vents, as well as the virtual speedometer and driver infotainment system in the middle of the gauges. Steering wheel is really high quality. I love the blacked out Chevrolet emblem in the middle, as well as the gloss silver finish around the wheel itself. You can also see the red stitching on the inside of the wheel. Here's your main center display. All the features you need are all located here. As you can see, touchscreen itself is really responsive, easy to use. There's your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, OnStar services your apps, and you can also access all the different parking cameras. So you have front cameras, rear cameras, pretty much every angle of this vehicle you can see. Here's all your climate control settings. You have ventilated seats, of course, heated seats. What I like is they kept everything as actual buttons, so you don't have to go digging through the actual infotainment system to access basic features you'll use daily. As you can see on the shifter, you have a nice little red accent that says RS to signify the RS trim level. Here's all your different driving modes. You have sport, off-road, track. This thing is absolutely loaded. There's the virtual rearview mirror. I'm going to shut it off here. Now you can see it's a normal mirror. Turn it back on. Really neat. So we'll go ahead, wrap up the pre-video, and we will head out on the road. Alright, and now onto the drive. I absolutely love the Blazer. couple weeks ago, I drove the Premier version of the Blazer, which is the top of the line. This is the RS, so it features some more red accents throughout, and it has a bit of a sportier feel to it. Still has the same V6 as stated before. No, these things are an absolute blast to drive. These seats are super comfortable too. No complaints on that front at all. So much power. It is absolutely amazing, and it sounds so good. This automatic transmission is also excellent. Rearward visibility especially is helped with this rear vision camera. Without it, you can see. It is just a little limited, especially if you have somebody sitting in the middle rear passenger seat. Then you're really not going to be able to see using the traditional mirror. However, with the virtual mirror, that issue goes away completely. Now, I definitely think this is the Camaro of crossovers. This is the most sporty I've ever driven, and quite possibly my favorite. Out of all the Chevrolets I've driven so far, this is my favorite. I have not driven the Camaro or the new Corvette yet, but for the 2020 lineup, this is my favorite. Thing is so good. In the center screen, you have a ton of different menus that you can scroll through your trip. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.